Hey, welcome back to another episode of Real Talk, where we talk about topics that are real important to you. We hope you're doing well and staying safe. I'm going to dive right in. About 2 weeks ago, I came across a Facebook post that stated that my insurance carrier is offering a 2-month payback program. Now, unfortunately, that came as news to me because my insurance carrier did not notify me. I never got an email, a phone call, never saw it in the news. And I'm sure thousands of other people are unaware of this program as well. Now, that got me to thinking, if we don't know about this program, are there other incentives that we are unaware of? So what I did was I reached out to the source of this Facebook post and asked her to join us today via Zoom to fill us in and lay out all of the different incentives that are currently available.
I'm very happy to introduce our guest today. Her name is Lana Pikman. She's an exclusive Allstate agent. And Lana, I know you've been working crazy hours helping your clients, so we really appreciate you being here.
Hi, Roman. Hi, Jesse. My name is Lana Pikman. For those who don't know me, I'm an exclusive Allstate agent. Just want to give you guys a quick shout out. I saw on Facebook that you donated and delivered 30,000 masks to our frontliners. This is just an unbelievable job. Amazing. Thank you so much for doing this for the community.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lana. I appreciate that. It really feels great to just give back to the community during this difficult time. So it's really appreciative that you noticed. Thank you. Lana, let me dive right in with you and ask you, during these turbulent times, even the essential businesses such as yours are not operating as usual. Can you tell us how is your agency currently servicing your clients?
We are open for business and operate in full capacity. However, for the safety of our customers and my team, I made a decision to temporarily move my operation remotely. We provide exactly the same white glove service as we did when we worked in the office. I keep the same office hours. My customers are being serviced 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Well, obviously, we are not accepting any walk-ins or face-to-face meetings. But rather than that, we make it feel comfortable for customer and feel as business as usual. Well, the only difference, you might hear my cat meowing when you call me, or my son is playing his Xbox game in a different room. But we are well equipped to handle any volume. As I said, everything is running the same for us. We are currently onboarding new customers. People are calling and saying they can't get through their insurance carrier and they have a lot of questions, they need help. So we are here for them and we're available through different types of communications.
I'm sure your customers' needs are evolving on a daily basis during these conditions. What exactly is Allstate and your company, your agency in particular, doing to assist clients during this difficult time?
That's a very good question, Jesse. We are doing a number of things. We are offering shelter-in-place payback. We are offering absolutely for free identity theft protection. We are extending defensive driving course credit. We are also not suspending at this point physical damage coverage to people who cannot complete their physical inspection. Also, we work with people who lost their job, and you know there are many of those, to move their 401k. And life insurance is actually a topic on everybody's mind. People start to understand how important this is nowadays, and they want to protect their loved ones, they want to protect their families. So we work with them, and our medical professionals are conducting tests for those who's applying for life insurance. So we are doing really a lot of things.
So Lana, let's discuss what actually brought us together here today, that Facebook post. And thank you for that, because if it wasn't for your post, I think I would have never known about this. Let's talk about the shelter-in-place payback program. Can you dive a little deeper into that and tell us a little more? Also, let us know how people can apply to this program.
Yes, I made this post about 2.5 weeks ago, right when the program just came out, and I felt like everybody needs to know what we are doing for our customers. So Allstate insurance and Encompass personal auto insurance customers will get 15% shelter-in-place payback. It's actually a payback. It's not a credit to your policy, as many companies started offering similar programs, but most of them are offering credit. You don't have to take any actions. Payback will be credited to the original method of payment you're using to pay your automobile insurance premium with. If you'd like to expedite this process, you can log into your mobile app and claim your payback from there. Just want to bring something to your attention. If you've been notified by some customers that someone is trying to call them and falsely representing Allstate and asking them for their banking information and their credit card information in order for people to get their payback credit, please be aware this is a scam. No one from Allstate, no agent will call you and ask this information in order for you to get your payback back. So please do not provide this information.
So Lana, I know there are a lot of programs available right now for people, and they have to apply online, and so they're forced to basically share their information. So you mentioned to us that Allstate is offering identity protection program. Could you tell us more about it? How exactly does it work?
Since we are now living in a digital world and most of us are working from home, kids are being homeschooled online. A lot of business owners are applying for grants and loans, and they're sharing their tax ID number and social security number with their banks and financial institutions. So we are basically could become a victim of a cybercrime, and financial fraud could be an unfortunate reality. So with all that in mind, Allstate decided to offer absolutely free, no money identity protection for everyone, not to Allstate customers, but to everybody, all U.S. citizens. And this is a great program. Usually this program is around, I think, about like $34.99 a month. You need to log into www.allstateidentityprotection.com and you enroll yourself from there. Don't call us, don't call Allstate, don't call agents. It's a self-service, very self-explanatory. Just log in and enroll yourself. You can also add up to 4 people to the same account.
Lana, can you also briefly tell us about photo inspections and defensive driving courses?
Yes, sure. Photo inspection. As you know, a lot of photo inspection sites are now closed or operating limited hours, and people can't do the photo inspection at this point. Before the lockdown, insurance carrier would suspend physical damage if you cannot complete the photo inspection on time. You're no longer doing this, so there's no longer physical damage suspension, which is excellent. Also, defensive driving course. As you know, a defensive driving course gives you 10% discount for 3 years for your automobile insurance policy. When your course expiring in 3 years and cannot complete this course right now for any reason, you can't take it online, obviously you can't take it in person, we will extend this 10% for another year. So you will get another 10% in addition to the 3-year period if you cannot complete this course online.
Wow, Lana, this is truly a lot of great information for our viewers. I just want to recap 2 of the hottest keynotes that I took away, and I think a lot of our viewers are going to find these important. Shelter-in-place payback program. It's automatic for Allstate clients. You don't have to do anything unless you want to get your money back quicker. Then you go to your mobile app, click on the mobile button there that says payback program, and then you'll be able to receive a check, I believe.
No, it's actually a credit to the same amount, to the same payment that you used to do to pay your automobile insurance premium. So if you pay with your bank account, it will credit your bank account. If you pay with credit card, it will go back to your credit card. If you pay in cash, it will go back to your Allstate account. If you don't claim it from there, it will apply as a credit towards next bill.
Got it. And the second takeaway that I got was the free identification protection program. That is absolutely amazing.
Absolutely, that's for all U.S. citizens, not only for Allstate customers. And what's good about this program, I forgot to mention before, it's not just credit monitoring. It will reimburse you for money spent if you need to spend your money to reinstate your credit back. I mean, not credit. I'm sorry, your identity back.
That's amazing, and it's free until when?
December 31st, but you have to enroll till the end of the May.
So you have till the end of
the 31st, May? Actually, yeah, 31st of May.
Okay, so you have until the 31st of May to enroll, and then you have it free until December.
December 31st.
That's amazing. I mean, none of us knew about this. I'm more than sure that most of your clients don't know about it unless you let them know, correct?
Right, right. And I'm sending emails to all my customers about all these programs available for them.
Lana, thank you once again for joining us. This information was absolutely informative. And to our viewers, thank you for watching. And if you found this video to be of importance and if it added value to your life, please share this video. And comment below if you have any ideas on new topics that you want us to discuss. Before we go, Lana, do you have anything else you'd like to add?
Actually, yes. Once everything settles down, and hopefully it's going to be pretty soon, the weather is going to be nice, I am planning to do a grand reopening so we can all come back and celebrate. We're going to have wine, drinks, hors. I would love to see everybody. Please, guys, join me. I will announce the date. Hopefully, as I said, it's going to be pretty soon. Up until then, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay home, and hopefully see you soon.
Thank you, thank you. It'd be great to finally socialize again and get out of the house and get out of my office in the basement. That'd be great.
All waiting for it.
Everyone, stay safe, remain healthy, and again, if you find our videos informative, please share, please comment below, like our page. We're going to have a lot more videos coming up. If you have any great topics that you want to talk about, please comment them below. Roman, do you have anything to add?
Guys, just be healthy and safe, and all the best.